Hello, I'm Randy Matheson in the Community Relations Office at the Renton School District. This presentation provides information about two important measures for the Renton School District on your February 8, 2022 election ballot. Ballots should arrive in homes around mid-January. The two Renton School District measures on your election ballot on February 8th are Measure 1, the Education, Programs, and Operations Replacement Levy. Measure 2 is the Building for Excellence Capital Technology Replacement Levy. Neither of these measures are a new tax. They both replace existing voter-approved local levies that expire in 2022 and continue support through 2026. Local levies help our school district continue current educational programs and maintain critical day-to-day school operations not funded by the state. School districts in Washington state are funded through three main sources: federal, state, and local dollars. We rely on these local voter-approved replacement levies to bridge the gap between what the state funds and what our students need in classrooms. It's a $40 million gap each year. The local Education, Programs, and Operations Replacement Levy provides nearly 14% of our district's annual budget. It provides equal access to opportunities for all students across the district. And funding from voter-approved replacement levies stays right here in the Renton School District for use by our students and schools. Let's take a look at Measure 1 on your ballot, the Education, Programs, and Operations Replacement Levy. The EP&O Replacement Levy ensures equal access to opportunities for students across the district. It provides funding for academic supports for students, arts programs, athletics, music, extracurricular activities. This replacement levy helps fund critical day-to-day school operations. It helps fund important school support staff like nurses, counselors, librarians, paraeducators, custodians, and school safety staff. It also provides funding for student transportation. The local levy helps fund gaps in state funding. For instance, the state funds only 2 school nurses district-wide. Local levy funding helps us hire 13 school nurses. The state funds less than 1 school psychologist district-wide. Local levy funds help us hire 18 school psychologists. The state funds only 3 school safety and security staff for all of our 25 schools. Local levy funds help us provide 11 school safety and security staff. The local replacement levy fills gaps in state funding by allowing us to hire important staff like custodians, librarians, classroom aides and paraprofessionals, and many other important school positions. Now, let's take a look at Measure 2 on your February 8th ballot, the Building for Excellence Capital Technology Replacement Levy. Having good schools has a positive effect on all our neighborhoods. Better schools help build a stronger community, improves our quality of life, and helps continue to increase the value of our homes and property. The capital portion of Measure 2 allows us to continue renovating, modernizing, and improving existing school facilities. It allows us to continue improvements for education, athletics, and technology. It improves health in our schools and our safety and security. And it makes our schools more energy efficient. Today, technology is integrated into learning and teaching in classrooms across the district. Technology helps teachers help students build essential 21st century skills. And as advances in technology drive local, national, and global employment, technology allows teachers to help students acquire the necessary skills to be competitive in careers of the future. The technology portion of Measure 2 allows us to continue providing laptops, computers, and tablets for students and staff. It provides adaptive technology to support special education students. And as education continues in the home, it provides vital home resources like Wi-Fi hotspots. The technology portion of the levy also provides storage, network switches, routers, Wi-Fi, and cyber security measures. Those are the two measures for Renton School District on your February 8th, 2022 election ballot. Measure 1, the Education Programs and Operations Replacement Levy, and Measure 2, the Building for Excellence Capital Technology Levy. Now, let's take a look at costs. Using a very conservative approach to growth over the next several years, we project that tax rates in the Renton School District will remain flat and unchanged through the life of these levies. Even with approval of both measures on your ballot, our combined local tax rate is projected to maintain a flat $3.50 per thousand of assessed value or lower through 2026. Though we are being very conservative in our projection that our tax rates will remain flat through the life of both of these levies, we know that in the past several years, our tax rates have dropped considerably. Since 2016, our combined local tax rate has dropped 34%, from $5.35 to $3.46 per thousand of assessed property value, saving our taxpayers thousands of dollars. The drop is primarily due to growth in our tax base. That's the number of families and businesses that move into our district, the number of new construction for homes, apartments, and businesses, and tax reform efforts. This growth is likely going to continue, which could mean a continued reduction in our tax rate. We've provided information about the two important replacement measures on your February 8th, 2022 election ballot for the Renton School District. Now, here's what you can do. Vote. If you're a registered voter in the Renton School District, you should receive your ballot sometime around mid-January. Mail or drop your ballot before the February 8th, 2022 deadline. Communicate what is on the ballot and why it's important to your family and friends. And share posts from Renton School District's social media sites, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Stay informed about these measures by visiting the Renton School District website at rentonschools.us. All households will receive a newsletter with information about the ballot measures in early January. And continue to follow Renton School District on social media and share posts from our Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram accounts. Thank you for watching this presentation, and remember, mail or return your ballot before the due date of February 8th, 2022.